Hello students, in the last video we learned that we can group the festivals into three categories, that is national festivals, religious festivals and harvest festivals. Now let us learn about these festivals in detail. National festivals. What are national festivals? The festivals which are celebrated to mark some very important national events are called national festivals. In India, we have three national festivals. These are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. These festivals are celebrated by the people all across the country. Independence Day. Our country got independence from the British rule after a long struggle on 15th August 1947. Many people sacrificed their lives struggling for the freedom of our country. To mark this event and to honor our freedom fighters, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort and addresses the nation. Republic Day. India got its constitution on 26 January 1950 and became a republic. What is constitution? A constitution is a book of laws according to which a country is governed. This important event is celebrated as the Republic Day on 26 January every year. A grand parade is held in New Delhi from Rashtrapati Bhavan along the Rajpath. Also, the President of India takes the salute at the parade. Along with this, many important awards are given on this day by the President. Bravery medals are awarded to defense personnel on this day.